Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use R Sketch Drawing. To begin, you will need to install R and RStudio, which are freely available. Next, we will explore installing key packages like ggplot2 for creating stunning visualizations. Understanding these initial steps is crucial for building a strong foundation in R sketching. We will cover everything you need to start drawing effectively. Moving on, we will delve into the fundamental commands for drawing. You will learn to create basic shapes such as points, lines, and polygons using simple functions. We will also explore how to customize your sketches with various colors, line thicknesses, and fill patterns. Adding clear text and labels is essential for conveying your message effectively, and we will cover those techniques. Now, let's elevate your R sketches with more advanced features. We will demonstrate how to combine several layers, allowing you to construct intricate and detailed visualizations. Discover the power of mapping data variables directly to visual aesthetics like size or transparency. Furthermore, we will touch upon incorporating interactive elements, making your drawings more engaging and dynamic for your audience. Finally, let's discuss best practices for optimizing your R drawings. Always prioritize clarity and readability so your message is easily understood by everyone. We will also cover tips for writing efficient code, ensuring your sketches render quickly and are easy to share. Remember, the R community offers vast resources and inspiration to help you continuously improve your sketching skills.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.